This LG OLED AI B4 4K Smart TV has lifelike graphics you have to see to believe. It uses 4K OLED technology with self-lit pixels that give you perfect contrast and 100% colour accuracy, making whatever you watch both beautiful and detailed. Now, having self-lit pixels means that you'll get perfect blacks with distinctive highlights. Plus, there's no need for a backlight, which is usually there to allow light to create an image. Instead, its self-lit pixels can shine to their full potential without a dull glow or annoying halo around any bright spots. With the Smart Web OS platform, there is always something to watch, whether you're a fan of streaming services or prefer Freeview Play. The home layout lets you find your most used apps easily, and it learns your viewing preferences for personal content recommendations. As well as this, you get these quick cards based on your interests for even more content. Then with a feature called My Profile, personalization goes a step further, letting different members of the family set up their own profile, giving them tailored suggestions and personal notifications. When it comes to sitting down and watching those epic blockbusters, Dolby Vision HDR brings more depth to every scene with incredible contrast and vivid colours. And Filmmaker Mode turns off any picture processing, letting you enjoy them the way the director intended. If you'd like more info about the LG OLED AI B4 4K Smart TV, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.